Sun is the primary source of life, warmth and light on earth. Sun salutation or Surya Namaskar is the way of acknowledging this divine energy. If you are new to yoga or Surya Namaskar, this video is definitely for you. Please watch the complete video to get full information about Surya Namaskar. But remember, just like when you are thirsty, looking at water will not satisfy your thirst. If you actually want to do something, watching the video will give you information, knowledge and the procedure. But you have to get out of your comfort zone to take the first step and do it. A note of caution: if you have back pain, knee pain, any heart ailment, high BP issue, or if you are pregnant, please consult your doctor and take guidance from a certified yoga teacher before starting anything. Sun salutation or Surya Namaskar is a set of 12 powerful yoga poses which make one set of Surya Namaskar. Some yoga schools also count 24 poses, that is 12 done from the left side and 12 done from the right side to complete one Surya Namaskar. These are the 12 names of Sun in Sanskrit language dedicated to each month of the year. These mantras can be recited while doing each and every asana of the Surya Namaskar. These are the benefits of Surya Namaskar, from battling insomnia to helping in losing weight by burning excess fat from the body. Surya Namaskar heals our body from our head to toe. Apart from the physical benefits, Surya Namaskar is a very strong way to align our mind, body and soul. Surya Namaskar balances Manipura chakra in our body. Every living creature on earth, from human beings to animals to plants, we all depend on sun to survive. Sun provides the heat which results in life. For example, all the vegetables, fruits and grains that we eat grow only because of the sun. Even when we burn a piece of wood, the fire that comes out is the result of solar energy which was trapped into the tree for several years. Lack of sunlight also causes vitamin D deficiency, which is very common these days. Doing Surya Namaskar at the time of the sunrise or sunset is an extremely beneficial way to tap the sun's energy into our body, balance our solar plexus or Manipura chakra in our body, and also get enough vitamin D. We all have heat stored in our body in the Manipura chakra in solar plexus. When this heat goes out of balance, if it increases too much, we get fever, and when it decreases, we get digestive disorders, joint pain, weakness and strength issues. Surya Namaskar helps in tapping the sun's energy directly into our body and balance the heat out for maximum benefits like great metabolism, a boost of energy, better immunity and so on. If you are new to yoga and want to start your Surya Namaskar journey, I would recommend start with at least one Surya Namaskar at any time of the day. You cannot do it early in the morning or at the time of the sunset. do it at any other time, because doing at least one Surya Namaskar is better than not doing any Surya Namaskar. So there is a new trend of doing 108 Surya Namaskars for several days. If you are somebody who is not too much into fitness and workout, this might be a challenge. But do not be disheartened. Doing at least one Surya Namaskar or 2, 3, 4, 5, any number of Surya Namaskars with the correct posture and the correct breathing pattern is going to benefit you 100%. So the number 108 is very significant. The diameter of Sun is exactly 108 times of the diameter of Earth. So doing 108 Surya Namaskars is important. Also, in astrology, there are 12 sun signs and 9 planets. When you multiply 12 by 9, you get 108. Talking from my personal experience, I have some astrologers in my family as well, but doing Surya Namaskars actually gives the control of your life in your hands. The planets do not affect you that much and you are not dependent on destiny or fate. You create your own life. You do not have to compete with anybody else but your own self. So respect your body and go as per your own limits. It is better to form a habit and do something regularly than slowly increase the pace and the number of repetitions, rather than doing 108 Surya Namaskars one day and then just forgetting about it on the next day. So now we all agree the sun is the reason for our lives here on earth. But because extra heat is being trapped in the Earth's atmosphere, we are also facing the issue of global warming. The glaciers are melting, the forests are catching fire. So be very, very conscious of each and every action that you take. Stay healthy, stay indoors, take care of your health, and please do take care of your surroundings. Animals around you, plants around you. Have a happy Surya Namaskar journey. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section. I'll try to answer them. Thank you. Signing off. Khushbu Shukla, Yoga Solution.